Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hello my dear friends. Today I am going to show how to solve our extract or unzip file problem in 000webhost.com. When we are going to unzip any file and then click here and select extract for extract file and then again click extract button for unzip or extract file, then we are facing a troubleshooting or problem. Okay, if you are not able to unzip or extract file in this folder, no tension. Cancel this window and simply go to your new tab and write here unzipper.php unzipper.php unzipper.space github unzipper.php space github. Press enter button and go to this link, open link, new tab, open the new page of GitHub website, and now here right side of page click unzipper.php file or open link in new tab, and now open the new page and here click a raw button or open link new tab. Now you can see here or open a big code. Press your keyboard Ctrl A for select this file and Ctrl C for copy this file. Minimize your browser, go to your desktop, click your right button of mouse and create a new text document file. Open this file and paste here your code. Click file button, save as, rename unzipper unzipper.php. Please carefully follow here unzipper unzipper.php. Save as type all file. Click save button, cross this. Now we can see here unzipper.php file now created. Go to your browser and open your public HTML folder and click upload files. Select file, go to your file location, desktop, and here select unzipper.php file. Click upload button, wait for a moment, uploading 100%. Okay, successfully upload unzipper.php file. At first delete this blank folder. Okay, and now go to your file manager dashboard and click your view site button, and now go to your address bar with your subdomain name and press slash button, write unzipper.php unzipper.php and press enter button. Okay, now we can see here archive unzipper window. Here we can see that previously our automatic detected your zip file, but if you have more file in your public HTML folder and you want unzip or extract your another file, then click down arrow key sign for choose your another file. Okay, click unzip button for unzip and wait just a moment. Wow, files unzipped successfully. And go to your public HTML folder and click public HTML button. Wow, now you can see here 3 files, 2 zip file and 1 unzip file. Open this folder. Now you can see here are all unzip open file. Press here. At first click your 2 zip file and delete from here. Open this folder, select all file, click move button and select your destination path. Destination, we know that in here your domain name / public HTML folder, not WordPress folder. Click change option and select. Now you can see here my domain name and go public HTML, not WordPress, just public HTML. Select here. Okay, now I am minus WordPress folder. Okay, and now select this, and again we can see here destination public HTML, not here WordPress. Okay, click move. Okay, now you can see here WordPress folder is totally blank. Go to public HTML folder. Wow, now you can see here successfully all filed. Move here. Again go to your public HTML, go to your file manager and click view site button. Wow, now you can see here the website called me set up your WordPress. Thank you so much. If you new in my channel, then I want to tell you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.